Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel QGIS-Student Mapper. In this video, I will show you step by step how to create an account on Aster Dem, the platform that connects creator with services and tools to grow. First, open your browser and go to Asterdem data or search www.asterdem.com. Here you can see two home pages that look a bit different, but don't worry, both pages offer the same functionality. Here I will show both the website. You can create a new account or sign in from either one. Whether you land on the first home page or the second one, click on the login button, usually at the top right corner. If you have account, type username and password. Click on login. You will be logged in. If you don't have account, click on register for a profile. Now you will be taken to the registration page. Here enter your details like username, password. Username must be a minimum of 4 characters, maximum of 30 characters, contain at least one letter, use only lowercase letters, numbers, periods and underscores, not contain any blank spaces, not begin, end or contain 2 consecutive special characters, and password must contain minimum of 12 characters, 1 uppercase letter, 1 lowercase letter. Using these requirements, username and password should be filled. Then fill the user information like first name, last name. Then fill the country information like country, affiliation, study area, hydrologic cycle, user type, application, organization. Click on the agreements. Then continue. Here you can see confirm your Earthdata login profile, and I'm going to save username and password. Then click on I am not a robot. Finally click on register for Earthdata login. After the submission, login page will open with a message like your data login profile has been successfully created. Please check your email for details on how to activate your profile before attempting to login. Now open Gmail in your laptop. If you don't have, search it in a browser and login. In Gmail, check your email inbox. You should receive a verification link from Asterdem. Click the link to verify your account. Once you are verified, log into your new account. After clicking the link, login page will open in Asterdem. Enter username and password, which is filled by you in the creating your account, and then click on login. Here you can see the entered information. Also you can edit the information using edit option. Then go to the Earthdata search. You can see the username in the right corner. That's it. You now have your Asterdem account ready. Start exploring tools, collaboration or whatever Asterdem offers for creators like you. If this video helped, give it a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. See you in the next time.